G'day everyone, in this video I'm going to show you my day 20 results from my top dress. It has filled in a lot since day 12 and I'm really going to enjoy this mow. So speaking about what I did this week, it's been blowing its guts out every day here at Port Augusta for the whole of November, and today it's windy, surprise surprise. A couple of mornings it was a little bit not so much wind, so on Monday I did a launch and route builder app both at low levels, 50 mils per 100 square meters. 2 days later I did a charger app just by itself, 300 mils per the 100 square meters. Then the next day after that I did a green light at 200 mils per the 100 square meters, and I put in 2 mils of PGR. So that was Thursday. Today is Saturday, so 2 days later I've done a 300 mil per 100 square meters green light with 10 mils of plant growth regulator. The plant growth regulator I'll talk a little bit more about in another video. Basically that will stop the growth from going up and send it sideways, so send it laterally. It will also improve the turf condition, thicken it up, also grow the root zone, and also lock in those colours that I'm pumping into. And this is what I call stacking apps. A few apps at low to medium levels during the week, but I'm just trying to kick this along and get it into condition so that I can follow the summer program, which is out now on lawnpornonline.com, with you and do exactly what I'm saying that I'm doing in that video and in that program, should I say. If you download that program, it's a free download. I have everything that I'm doing for every day that I do it. So, you know, December 1, my application, what I do for watering, what I do for mowing, what I do for grooming, etc, etc. I just want to get this lawn all covered in as best as I can for 1 December. Anyway, I'm going to really enjoy today because it's almost filled in. Going to enjoy mowing this, and let's see what results that we get. I'm going to do a 12mm mow with the Mowmaster, no problems there. But before I do that, I'm just going to pay a bit of attention to my edging and get that sorted. Let's see how it goes today. All right, first thing I'm going to use is the Ego Commercial Solid Edger. So let's go with this one. Next thing I'll go is the Whipper Snipper for edges.
Hey Lawnies, before we get into the mow and the details of the week and some of the issues, if I could get you to hit the like button if you're getting some value out of this content that I'm producing, and also hit the bell notification so you're notified when I drop a new video. Thank you very much. Now this week's watering regime has been 2 deep waters in the morning, so a Monday and a Thursday. 2 deep waters for about 45 minutes on my sprinklers. Yes, I could have done syringe watering just to promote the bare areas to grow in a little bit quicker, but overall that weakens the plant and I want to start growing those deep roots. Those little patchy areas, they'll catch up just with deep watering infrequently, and it'll be much better for the lawn in the long run. Now I've certainly come a long way quickly from the 5th of November right through to the 25th of November, 20 days. Even the amount that it's filled in over the last week is pretty dramatic and amazing. And that's really got a lot to do with the stacked apps that I was talking about before. But it really goes to show how fast and how fun and how professional the liquids are. And look, I don't really recommend that you do stacking. I prefer that you use the products weekly and allow them to breathe as per the program. And look, you know, it's something that you can do, but air of caution, you could be burning your lawn, or worse, could be damaging it even further. So look, take it very easily if you want to stack apps, and go low to medium levels. And I'd only recommend it if your lawn is really used to foliar feeding. Yes, using PGR before it's fully grown in is a little bit controversial, but if you're 95% the way there, I'd rather take the control over the lawn and reducing the amount of seed heads that could pop up, especially this time of year, over having those areas not filled in as quickly as they should. But look, anyway, I find that the PGR increases lateral growth, and with my program, those areas will fill in quite nicely pretty soon anyway. Now, quick note about my PGR application on the Saturday. I did that 6 o'clock in the morning and my mow was around about midday. You need to leave a 6-hour gap before mowing after you put down your PGR. Okay, I really enjoyed this mow for sure. Look at the dark deep greens I'm getting. That's because of the stacking app. It's a lot darker green than I go for this stage of recovery. Remember, it's only 20 days. And look, you know, I'm doing an edge pass here first before I get into my main pattern of mowing. Finally, I'm going to see some lines starting up because it's starting to thicken up, and it's just such a beautiful mow and a beautiful look that I'm getting. And that's what I'm doing here is just going for that look, that lawn porn look that you know, everybody likes to go for. And this is a 12mm mow with the MowMaster, and it's just doing such an absolutely beautiful job here. Now, it has been a bit cooler here this week, and that's why the clippings are a little bit low, not so much the 2mm PGR that I did, although that will be helping, but it's mostly due to the cooler weather and I'm not watering as much.
So not even a quarter of a bucket in that lot. Probably about 10 handfuls. And look at that quality. They're beautiful.
This lawn is really starting to get its mojo, and if you look at it from the other angle, you'll see the lines a lot better. And I'm doing a second cut here with the catcher off because I'm not really cutting that much, and whatever I get goes back in the lawn and degrades and helps the lawn fertilise anyway. Thank you for watching my video today. I hope you got something from it. It's a dark deep green. It's really motoring along, and I reckon in the next week or two it's gonna be schmick and perfect. So definitely, if you're getting some value out of this video, smash like and subscribe. It helps me grow. If you want to get lawn like this, check out my journey. There's also free resources on lawnpornonline.com. You can download the free program for summer. That's out now, and I'll be doing videos of everything that I do within the program so that you can follow and do the same and get similar results. The lawn porn program is totally suitable for all lawn types and is totally pet safe, so no problems there. A question I get asked quite a bit. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Get your lawn on, and we'll see you in the next one.